Man, these skinny jeans ain't helping. I need to invest in some actual work pants because it is brutal with them.
I didn't want him doing anything because when he admitted here that we actually don't do the big trees, it's like, okay, you know what? Let's just leave it like it is. I will get somebody else.
What's up, you guys? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. We're actually headed to the landfill right now because we have a loaded down trailer. We got like 3 jobs in there. I also just did a garage clean out this morning. It was 350 bucks, so very nice start to the morning. But after we dump this, we got to head back out to that property in Jefferson and clean up those trees because the homeowner wants them removed ASAP. She asked me like in a hurry to get them cleaned up because she's freaking out because they are sitting over a high pressure gas line. Plus people that live in the neighborhood use that back road over there to drive their ATVs and they cannot get through. So people are, you know, not so happy right now, and she doesn't want her neighbors to hate her. So I got to go out there today and take care of her. I told her I'll do what I can to help her out, so I got to keep my word. I might not even bring out the mini skid just because her house is pretty close to the landfill, and I'd have to go home and get it, then go return it, and I'd probably waste like an hour and 45 minutes total of my day, you know, picking it up and then returning it back home after I'm done. So I don't know, I think it might just be worth it to do it all by hand. Plus the access is not going to be so great after they got all those posts up, so I just don't want to waste my time. I might change my mind once I get out there and check it out exactly what needs to get done. But for now, I'm just gonna go dump this and go like this over there. I got my chainsaws with me, and then if I need another guy, I have another guy I can call. He actually just came out to this job right here I was at, and he got some tools and stuff that I don't need, but he can sell them because he sells stuff, so. All right, guys, we just got out of the scales. There's quite a bit of people here today. He wants me to go right there. We got a pretty decent sized load. I always use bungees, that way nothing ever flies out. We're gonna dig it out with a backhoe. Oh, he's gonna break that truck's rear axle. Look at the squat on that thing. He needs to put his e-brake up. Sheesh, that thing's moving around like nothing. Yeah, guys, we got a load up in here. We definitely got a load. That door's probably worth some money, but just don't want to store too much junk. Perfect, that's the way I like it. Everything's out. That's a nice dually right there. 6-foot walls on that trailer with the extended wood. That thing's definitely heavy duty looking. You can see the I-beam frame is thick, everything. Running 14 or 16 ply tires. You got to, hauling with the F450. Man, you got a monster of a setup. I like it.
It's my small one too.
This is your small one? Makes sense towing with the F450. Now the hustler, making money. I really like this place right here. Every weekend there's a bunch of horse trailers and animals. It might be an auction, I'm not even sure. I just dumped at the landfill. It was only $70, guys. Not bad at all. I'll take that any day. So now we're headed to this tree job. It was 13 minutes away when I left the landfill. Now we're like 10. Man, this lady is so cool. She is trying to pay me, but I can't take it because the contractor gave me this job and he is gonna price it out for her. He just wants my price then to get it done, and then he's just gonna, you know, add it to the project bill that he has, because it's a pretty dang big project. It's not just the fence he's doing interior stuff, gutters and some other stuff. I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll see. I just can't take it because I do not want to ruin my relationship with Michael, because he has been giving me a lot of work, and if he tells me that, hey, he wants it done this way, this is the way I got to do it, because if I don't do it the way he wants to do it and it's his job, he's gonna find someone else to do it. Not gonna find another Andre, because I always come through for him last second, and you know, I take care of his customers, and the customers are always fully satisfied. But you know, in business it's all about making money, so he needs to make some money too. And the reason I care so much about Michael is because he is a legit contractor, guys. He is not one of those guys that wants you to work for pennies. He never wants you to cut yourself short, and like, you can tell him a lower price, and if he thinks you deserve more, he will pay you more. So yeah, I'm not interested in losing him. I want to continue making him happy so I can continue getting work, because my business would truthfully not be at the point it's at right now if not him. He rents my dumpsters a lot. He hired me on a lot of jobs as well as a helper. He actually has given me some jobs. What are you doing, lady? LOL. Come on, she should have gone. LOL. But man, he's a good guy, so I definitely got to continue taking care of him. All right, let's go check this out real quick. This is kind of a soft spot, but I can drive over and back up as close as I want to, like approximately here. But yeah, no, I definitely cannot bring the machine out here. This is not enough space for me. Yeah, see all this stuff? I mean, I can probably fit through here, but it's just gonna be such a pain with working around these stumps. And oh, look at that deer pack. They are so cute. Look at the cute one too, the little one. Heck cute. But yeah, this is the trees right here, guys. It is not that much. Actually, I thought it would be a little bit more. Looks like they put a lot of stuff over there. I'm gonna have to ask the customer if she is going to want that stuff gone as well. But yeah, I don't think it's worth bringing the machine out here for this job, just because of all the obstacles that go into it. Like, if I could bring my trailer right here, yeah, that'd be a different story, because I can literally just grab stuff with the grapple and load it. But going around all the stuff, not too painful. Plus, I don't even think I can, there's a way to bring it. It's just a small little ATV track, as you see. I'm surprised this tree didn't actually go towards the house, how they cut it. That is a very bad cut, but maybe that's why the customer got so freaked out. I mean, guys, check it out. What is going on over here? This lady is awesome. She's like, hey, Andre, I left you an envelope. I'm gonna ask her if this is a tip or is this towards the job, because if it's towards the job, I'm just gonna subtract it. But if it's a tip, then I guess it's a tip. I'm gonna back this up, get it closer, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, guys, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start cutting this stuff up. Guys, it is hot out here, but yeah, I'm gonna get this done because I told the customer I will. I was supposed to have another guy come, but he can't come anymore. But I have another, so I called Josh, and Josh is available. So he's gonna pull up right here in maybe 15-30 minutes, and it'll speed up the job a lot because this is a lot to do by hand solo, especially in this heat. If it was not hot, guys, it's super doable, but in this heat, you know, you get a heat stroke doing this type of stuff solo. No kidding. My ETA, and he told it to me, and I was like, you the man. And he's like, you don't know how clutch some work right now is, bro. Getting in the truck 21 minutes. This is who I want to give work to. People when they pick up the phone and they actually show up when you need them. Man, these skinny jeans ain't helping. I need to invest in some actual work pants because it is brutal with them. My goodness. It's hot, bro. It is hot. This is some work. We're getting it, baby. We're getting it. What's up, bro? Bro, this heat is nuts.
Yeah, it is.
How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Thanks for coming out, bro.
Of course, bro.
So we just got to clean up all these trees right here.
I think I got a half off the truck, dude. I'm about to crush this.
Huh?
I'm about to crush this job now, bro. It's like, what?
It don't look like much, but bro, it's hot.
What, 2-3 hours?
Yeah, hopefully. The sooner we get done, the better. I don't want to be out here all day, you know?
Yeah, it sucks not being able to get a machine back here, but you can't really.
Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna get you some gloves. Or you don't want gloves?
I'll be alright, bro.
No, I got. Do you wear them or no?
Usually on like days where I'm beating a chipper, I will, but on just like dragging brush and cutting it, not really.
don't want to start?
I was asking if you already choked it. Huh? You already choked it?
Yeah, it's already been started. Might need to be done again. Don't crap me.
I don't want to hop on and choke it off the start.
Have a waterfall. Put your mouth on it. I don't want to sweat. Drink more. It's hot, bro. So this is what we got done so far. We're about more than halfway through the trailer. What's going on? sucks pulling them out of these vines. What, you're tired, bro? Them logs heavy, huh?
Oh yeah.
Even though they're cut up small, they're still heavy.
Dense, bro. Oak logs you can toss. Not really. I'm gonna get up there and move these to the back so we can just toss the most of them out there.
We'll probably be able to toss over them and then we can move the other one so we don't have to work them. Yep. Come on, my brother. Lift that sucker up. Too heavy for you?
I thought you were loading just 3.
Nah, we could put 4.
Nice, strong boy.
Let's see if this wheelbarrow can handle it. Oh, yeah. It sucks with these bumps. I'll hop up there and you can pass them on it, I guess. I'll toss Perfect. I guess we can put 3, as these ones I guess are cut up a little bit bigger. I'll grab this one. You want to push this wheelbarrow or is it too heavy for you?
I'm gonna pull it.
Oh yeah, pull it and I'll push from the back. Let's see what happens. We went over a rock. Bro.
Any more water left?
Yeah, I have a little bit here, but let's just go to the store, honestly.
We can take my truck if you want.
Yeah, we can leave my truck here connected. Gatorade and some energy drinks probably. It is hot. Maybe some food too. Is this your truck or your dad's?
I kind of bought it from him.
You bought it from him? Nice. You got bullets in here?
Oh yeah, got like 4 boxes.
You regret coming out to work today?
Hell no, brother. I need some money.
You needed some money? I feel that, dude.
Yeah, dude, my AC didn't work for a while. Like it would stay stuck on heat or cold, and it would be so hard to switch it back over. Like you'd switch it over, and you like start slapping on it, and you like it rattle really loud. And it finally changed, but I only did it like once a year. Like if it was summer, I'd switch it to cool. If it was winter, I'd switch it to heat.
Alright, take it right here. Man, I don't even want to put my wallet in my pants because they're so sticky. That's how you get robbed. Just walk with your wallet in your hand.
No place for it to be.
Yeah.
You know, in the cities, they'll have pickpockets. They'll bump into you and steal your
Yeah,
wallet.
for real. Beverage over there. Do you want some food? Let's grab. You sure you don't want no? Bro, get some food. You probably hungry, huh?
No.
You came to help me out. Huh?
I didn't have breakfast.
I didn't have breakfast neither.
Also, I already had that.
Oh, you had? Hot popping ready. Fried chicken, hot and spicy. Do you like onion rings?
Yeah, alright.
We might have to go to the other one if you don't like any of this stuff.
Body armors and biolights.
Huh?
You got those small body armors and biolights.
Do you want a bigger body armor?
2
Where are the other ones? They might not be cold, that's the thing. It's okay, just grab yourself. We might need a basket. See, no, maybe not. Which kind do you typically drink?
I'll get blue raz and fruit punch.
And then we can get 2 more of these. Do you want an energy drink? Like a Red Bull? There's only the regular ones here. If you want other flavors, we go at the other side.
Sure.
Grab 2 regular. Champ's chicken is good, but this public stuff's not bad.
It's about the same. A little better.
Bro, I haven't had like regular Red Bull in so long. I typically always get the flavored one, but the regular one is so good.
OG.
I could just drink this all day, but you'd probably die.
I've seen some new ones, like a light blue. It's not like that, just a blue flavor. It's like a light blue. I haven't tried it.
Too heavy?
Oh no, I was just getting ready to pick it up.
They are, bro.
Woo.
Way better with tossing like that. All these vines definitely make this job a lot more fun.
See, I thought it'd be easier, but me and Nick done a few tip jobs recently, and man, they're rough.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Well, it's nice when you have the mini skid loading the chipper. Yeah. When you do it by hand, it does get brutal. It definitely does.
The best thing for the chipper though, that excavator.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because it's so flexible.
Yeah, dude.
Take this boy. We'll cut the rest off. Oh no, you're good. I have a question about the brush over there that was left on the other side. Do you want that stuff removed too, or just stuff in the road?
That stuff too, yeah, all of it.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, feel free to round up. Tell me the charges and everything. What up? Thank you.
It's freaking hot.
I know, right? Y'all need water? I'm sure.
No, we actually, yeah.
So bad.
No, we actually just ran to the gas station and grabbed some more because
Okay.
we are burning through these drinks.
Right?
It's hot. But yeah, it would have been, if we would have got it removed before this fence was put up, it would have been so much easier because I could just go and grab it with my machine, you know?
Yeah.
But now, and don't worry, because I mean, it just worked out that way. It's not your fault. Because yesterday they had to put this up. I couldn't do it either way, so they have to work too.
Yeah, and it was a big, complicated thing, so yeah. I had a feeling that was causing the issue, but yeah, please round up on. I did not expect Michael to put it on the job, because to me this is my issue.
Yeah,
yeah, it's because the guys, they're very stubborn. I didn't want them doing it at all, and he insisted, and it was a big thing.
I saw that they started cutting that tree down over there, so it's already have a notch in it. Did you see that?
Did they? No, that's probably where the
Probably, because that's very dangerous how they just left that like that. Were they supposed to remove all of these trees?
Yep. That's kind of a long, stupid story, because they've been out here, past one has been the 4th time.
Wow, 4 times for this type of tree?
And if I had known that they were not actually equipped to deal with it, I would not have had them come back again. But there's a communication issue.
Gotcha.
And part of it, I feel like it's my fault just because the project evolved when I realized what was going on. And he had the opportunity a couple times to tell me. But when he admitted, I guess the night before last, that they don't do big trees, even though these trees have always been the same size. It's not like they grew.
Yeah.
I wouldn't necessarily consider these big trees.
Yeah, these are small trees right here. I mean, you can pull these down with a hand rope, honestly. Like that right there would need a machine hooked up to it when you're cutting something big like that. But these, they're small. But you see how they started? It's like, how do you start a double notch and then they left it?
Well, in all honesty, that's how I am. When he said they came out, and it took about an hour to get those, and then he did say if the saw chain broke and they would be back. But I didn't even want him doing what he did, but he wouldn't listen to me. So I was like, you know what? Don't worry about it, because I didn't want them getting hurt. When he said, that's why I didn't want him doing anything, because when he admitted here that we actually don't do the big trees, it's like, okay, you know what? Let's just leave it like it is. I will get somebody else. If I had known that, even though there was plenty of opportunity, if I'd known, I would have somebody else, professionally do it. But honestly, it's a liability issue. And the whole thing was very sketchy, which is, I love it.
I mean, seeing these trees with the proper crew, you get this done in a day.
But yeah, that's not cool. So I would love to hire you guys, not today, obviously. And yeah, with the fence being finished, I hate causing the extra complication. But I'll pay for it, even though that doesn't really help y'all with how
it's work. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We're used to it, you know. But nah, don't worry. We're happy to work, and Michael's crew will finish the fence. I mean, it's just work. Every job is a little different, so.
Yeah. But I like efficiency.
Yeah.
Initially, it's when I'm trusting that somebody's going to do what they say.
You see how much you're appreciated, Josh? Whole tree.
We're essential workers on deck.
We are. We are. In this case, we really are. Because that gas line being covered with trees is a big hazard. Because if the city needs to go through, they can't. They're gonna be like, what the heck? You see over there that yellow thing? Yep. Down there too?
Yes, sir.
I really do appreciate the help, bro. Because I would have still been working for like probably 2 more hours. No kidding. I mean, this heat kills you by yourself.
Quick.
And like the sooner you get tired, the slower you start moving, and then it ends up dragging forever.
You saw it, bro. I got here. I was like, oh yeah, this is easy. And then
yeah, I was like,
later, I was like, okay.
Yeah, you said we're gonna be here for 2 hours. All right, guys, I just got home right now. It is almost 4 o'clock. Working for good customers is so rewarding because, man, you can tell they appreciate you so much, and they're always happy to pay your price. If they're a good customer, they're not even gonna try to lowball you, and they will pay you extra, man. Like, we're making money on this job, guys. Let's just put it that way. We are making money. I know I made a video a couple days ago, guys, complaining and saying how, you know, it's a slow week. I'm staying home half the week and half the week I'm working, and I was getting pretty stressed out, man. But after I made that video, work has been coming, guys. God is good. We are making money. We are paying bills. We just got to keep on grinding. Always show up when people need you. Those guys that started this job, they just, you know, took 4 times to show up. Like, what? Dude, that's a day job. Just pull up, get it done, and you're done. Because there was no fence, nothing. There was so much access. But, you know, some people just, you know, are not equipped or enough skill to do something like this. I'm not gonna end this video quite yet. When Monday comes, I'm gonna take you guys to the dump with me and show you guys dump this. I haven't been to 211 in a minute because I haven't been hauling much yard debris, honestly. And if it's trash, I don't go there because they're pretty expensive. I go to Jackson County or Hall County and it's much cheaper. But I'll see you guys on Monday, so keep watching if you want to see me dump this load. Good morning. What is going on, guys? Come on, birds. All right, you guys, we just pulled up to the landfill. I've actually never talked to this guy, but he's got a fat truck. That dually's thick. My GoPro SD card is tripping this morning. It's saying it's not the proper SD card, which is crazy because I've recorded so many videos with it. And it's definitely the right one, so I'm just using my phone. But this is the load right here, guys. Easy dump, nothing crazy. Slid right out. Got bro hustling over there. Look at him. Well, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.